Transforming the passive voice into the active voice in present continuous tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of your favorite English grammar series. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: transforming the passive voice into the active voice in present continuous tense. Understanding how to switch between these two forms can significantly improve your language versatility and clarity. So, let's get started. Before we proceed, it's important to understand what active and passive voices are. In an active sentence, the subject is doing the action. On the other hand, in a passive sentence, the action is done to the subject. Here's an example in present continuous tense. Active: John is eating an apple. Passive: an apple is being eaten by John. In the active voice, John, the subject, is doing the action. In the passive voice, the action is happening to the apple, the subject. Transforming passive voice to active voice is not as difficult as it seems. You just need to identify the subject, verb, and object in the passive sentence and rearrange them. The entity that is doing the action becomes the subject in active voice, while the entity that is receiving the action becomes the object. Here's a simple step-by-step. 1. Identify the original subject, verb, and object in the passive sentence. 2. Make the original object the subject of the sentence in active voice. 3. Change the verb to its active form. The verb, to be, followed by being, and the past participle in passive voice changes to the present participle in active voice. 4. The original subject becomes the object of the sentence in active voice. Example: passive: the book is being read by me. Active: I am reading the book. The best way to master this transformation process is through practice. Let's take a look at a few more examples. 1. Passive: the car is being washed by Sarah. Active: Sarah is washing the car. 2. Passive: a song is being sung by the choir. Active: the choir is singing a song. 3. Passive: the letter is being written by Tom. Active: Tom is writing the letter. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own sentences and transforming them between active and passive voices. There you have it, friends. Understanding how to convert from passive voice to active voice in present continuous tense isn't as daunting as it seems. With practice, you'll find it becoming second nature. Keep practicing and keep improving. Thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!